Today is my first day of trying the Medicube Korean skin routine. I'm not really one for trying these different routines, but so the first step is the Medicube Zero Foam Cleanser. I just use my teeth. Don't judge me. A little bit of product. And everybody online talking about how they didn't want to waste through this stuff. They were like panicking when they were running low on it. See what all the hype's dry. I have pretty dry skin overall. But I'm excited to see if I can really get to this Korean skin glass. They talk about how one of the products in this is good for them. It has microspicules for breaking up dirt, things deep in your pore, but also stimulating collagen production. I didn't even use very much product. I think I've got a pretty good layer going on over here. Let's start rinsing it off and massaging it in. Alright, let's get that dry. My face feels pretty clean. I do say so myself. I definitely got my hair in the sink. I did take a shower before this, but long hair problems. Alright, on to step 2. Alright, step 2 is these Zero Pore pads. They have a lot of really great things in them. Apparently this is what really gets in there and breaks up all of those blackheads. The top of it looks like this. So we'll go ahead and break that seal open. See if I can get this little one swoop. Perfect, I love that. Alright, they just look like these. These little single wipes. Looks like, I wonder how many are in here. So there's 70 pads of one of these. It's pretty good. That lasts you over 2 months. They're pretty thick, to be honest. I thought this was 2 at first, but it's just the 1. Alright. There's a bumpy side and a smooth side. So the bumpy side's what I assume is going on the skin. Give it a good rub. Get deep into those pores. This reminds me of a good toner. But it did come with a separate toner. I think this one's more just, again, a cleanser. Zero Pore pad. Getting out all the little things. I've already washed my face in the shower too. It's still getting makeup out. And I honestly rarely wear makeup. I just wear a little bronzer every now and again. I was also interested. I have this childhood scar to see how that responds to this treatment as well. I heard a lot of people say they had pretty good success with some of their dark spots. Easy enough. Get the chin too. On to step 3. Looks like it's the 1-day Exosome shot. So from what I was hearing is that they're called microspicules in a bottle, and this is where the real magic comes in. So we'll go ahead and just do 1 pump on my finger here. Right up that much. Just putting a little here. Ooh, I can feel it. It doesn't like hurt per se, but it definitely like little stings. I can almost just feel my pores. So it kind of feels like sandpaper in a way, which is interesting because you don't even have very much on there. You know, Beyonce said, "Pretty hurts." I need a little bit more of that stuff. Up here, here. Interesting, but I don't feel it as much over my scar. Back at it again with the teeth. Alright. Looks like the next step is the soothing toner. I know it's got a lot of really great things in here. Alright. I will say I was interested to see that the next step was a toner after the microspicules. That's not what I would have assumed. This stuff feels nice. Alright. A little bit more in there. A little bit more on for my forehead. Oh, I feel like it's a soothing toner. It definitely feels that way. Especially after our last experience. Again, it was not that bad, but I did get the strong one because I figured you might as well really put something into it. Alright, so at this point I still am very much feeling the effects on my skin. The next step is the Peptide Serum. I can feel it activating and doing some magic. Alright, the serum, I'm going to give that a good shake. Before I use that, we'll pull up 1 pump here. Alright, that's nice. Feels good. I didn't even use a whole tincture. Anything like me, when you find something you like, you want it to last a long time. Alright, so I'm going to end with the collagen jelly cream. There are 2 other options that you could have done after cleaning your face before doing all the other stuff that we did as well. There is Collagen Night mask that you put on and then remove it after 15 minutes. And then it did come with 4 of these awesome little collagen gel masks that I'm super excited to try. But in the meantime, since I already did all of that, and I just want to try out what this jelly cream feels like, and tomorrow I'll probably do the mask, but we're going to try that. Looks like jelly inside. Also came with this awesome little tool. Go ahead and get a scoop there on. Wow, that feels really nice. All right, well, it's day 1 of the routine. Let's see what kind of difference we have in a couple more days.